Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In the previous video we have seen how to install the original software. And today we'll be going through a very simple program that's a LED blink program, which is common if you go for any microcontroller tutorials. So, for this tutorial we need Arduino Uno programming cable and LED. So LED stands for light emitting diode. It has a positive and negative terminals. So just notice clearly there will be a shorter terminal like that. That will be a ground or negative. You have to connect it to a ground pin of Arduino board. And the longer one will be positive, which is called as anode. You have to connect that to a digital pin. There are 14 digital pins in this board. So we are using pin number 13 and ground. The connection is simple, and now we need to write a program for this. If you open the software you can be able to see two parts. One is setup and other one is loop. In the setup part we will be declaring whether devices connected to the Arduino board are output or input devices. We will clarify that output and input devices later. And if you consider this looping section, we write the main program in this part and it starts executing repeatedly. In the Arduino for commenting, we use // It tells you the syntax. So as you see the connection, we have connected one LED to pin number 13. Many people will not use declaration. But what's my opinion is, if you use lot of devices or components, it will be bit confusing to be not knowing what other things we have used in our program or the project. So it's better to practice the declaration part. So it will be before the void setup. We know that we have used one LED. And it will be connected, and it is connected to pin number 13. So it's a digital device. A value should be 0 or 1, so we are using integer. Int. Give a name LED equal to 13. So here the 13 indicates the digital pin 13. And in the Arduino every line ends with the semicolon. Only we have used one LED, so only one line declaration is done. So in the void setup we have a function called pin mode. And we need to concentrate on alphabets, whether they are capped or small letters. Starts with a pin, that means first we need to indicate which pin we are using. Pin is 13. And it depends on the devices whether they are input or output devices. So LED is output device because it's taking some signal from the original board. And it's activated. And if you consider input devices like sensors, it will be sensing the present environment around us and it will be giving some signals to the Arduino board. So those sensors are taken as input. So here is the pin we have used is 13. Any of you have assigned LED to 13. So we can use LED or we can directly mention the pin number 13. No problem. It's better if you mention the pin 13, So we are using LED, its output device. Output. It's completely in caps and semicolon. So that's it guys in the setup and loop. We are blinking our LED. For the main logic we need to switch on the LED. To wait for some seconds. And we need to switch off the LED. And wait for another second. So that's the main logic behind this. First, to switch on the LED there is a function called digital write. It is a digital pin we are using. So digital write and W is cap. Digital write of. Which pin we need to make high that we have to mention first can write LED. Or else 13 it's okay, anything you can write. We write LED, high. We need to switch on, so we are using high and semicolon. We need to wait for some time because we need to see that LED switched on or not. So delay. We need to call a delay. It will be milliseconds, give a test 1000 or anything you can give. So LED switched on, it will wait some seconds. Now we need to switch off. And copy this and the same pin we need to switch off. So I will give it as low, so that's it. Paste it here. And delay. Yeah, that's it guys, only this much is a program. After that we need verify our program. If there is any mistakes in the program, it will show like this. Then fix it. Now connect the cable to your computer. And we will save this program. To upload the program, first click on the tools, then you have to select the boards. In the boards you will get a lot of options that will be showing many Arduino boards. In this case we are using Arduino Uno Mini, so select that. Then click on the upload button. Yes guys, we are done with the program and it's working fine. Now we change delay and let's see what happens. That is for today guys. For more updates, subscribe our channel and get notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.